We have worked with hundreds of clients, and when clients come to us, they often think that the only way to deliver an online course is like this, on a video, sitting there in front of camera and teaching. Look, the cool thing about online courses is that there's so many different ways you can deliver content, and you should deliver in different ways content. Because why do you think you can charge only about 20, 30 bucks a book versus an online course you can charge thousands? Well, the difference is in book, you can only give written content. In an online course, you can include coaching, templates, cheat sheets, and so much more. I don't want to give away in the intro all of it. You have to watch this lesson because this lesson is jam-packed with value. And actually, I extracted this lesson to share it with you completely free of charge for my Course Creation Launch Mastery course. Also, if you like our team to help you create and launch your very own master online course, there's a link where you can learn more about our company, book a call, and our team of 22 people will help you write, produce, and launch. Enjoy the video. Earlier in the course, we talked about what are some of the things we can include in course to charge premium, like one-on-one coaching, coaching program, access to private group, group calls, Q&As, masterminds, all sort of things, right? That was about pricing. Now also I want you to think about what could you teach in these settings, right? Maybe some of the things that you want to teach in a course are very, very advanced, they don't quite need to know. Or maybe it's very, very hard to explain on the video like this or in a worksheet. It's more appropriate for one-on-one coaching. Maybe it's appropriate for group coaching. Maybe it's appropriate for a mastermind setting. So you need to think and exclude that content. Or maybe you have content that's so valuable you don't want to include in the course. So what you might do, you might have a evergreen course where for $500, let's say they just get the course, and then you might have premium package where they get the course plus all these other extra things we talked about earlier, one-on-one coaching, coaching program, access to private group, group calls, things like that. And you want to save some of the really, really valuable content for that premium package. Don't give that content in this package because they would need to show up for one-on-one coaching to get that extra content. So that's what I want you to think about now before we start diving in and creating your modules and lessons and all of that. Is just realize that you will have other ways to deliver your content, not just on video like I'm doing right now. I am not even giving everything away. There's so many things I could talk about. If I did, I would bore you to death. And also we have our course creation service that we offer for premium prices, and people have to pay to get those nuanced advice and those exclusive strategies. So I'm not giving everything away in this course as well. I'm giving just enough, everything you need to do to create the course and have a successful launch. So go ahead, think, what content do you want to save later for alternative ways of delivering instead of just being on a camera or in your supporting materials, worksheets, cheat sheets, PDFs, things like that. So that's all for now. There's really no exercise yet. I'm priming you for what's coming, so that when we get to the content, you don't feel overwhelmed. And also I'm trying to open up your mind for other opportunities. Because when people work in a course, they just, base their understanding what they know. And often what they know is just creating modules and lessons. That's all they want to do. But open your mind and realize there are so many other ways to deliver your content. That's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this lesson from my Course Creation and Launch Mastery course that I gave you completely free of charge. I hope you got more confidence, that you have knowledge to share, and most importantly, how to keep moving forward. Again, if you'd like to get more support, there's a link to my Course Creation Mastery course. You can get the whole course for $47. It couldn't be any cheaper. Or if you'd like our team to help you create and launch your very own online course, there's a link as well. Book a call, and we look forward to helping you along your journey so that you can create a digital product that you can scale your business with. See you soon.